Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will going to design a simple vase. In this video actually I will show you how to use lofted boss command in Solidworks. So I think you will enjoy this video. So let's start this video. Here I will use 4 plane. Okay, now sketch part. Okay, then MMGS millimeter, select dimension and plane white and select setting and image quality, select image quality high. Okay, then select OK. First I will take a top plane and select a circle, go smart dimension and keep this diameter 50 millimeter. Then OK, exit this case. Select top plane and reference geometry and select plane. So here select 150 millimeter distance from first plane. Okay, select OK. Okay, one plane is create now. Then select first plane and go reference geometry. Select plane 1 and go reference geometry and select another plane. Here set distance 20 millimeter. Okay, so here select now plane 2 and go reference geometry and again select distance 30 millimeter. Go OK. So here create another 3 plane. So select this first plane, normal to circle and smart dimension, keep this dimension 100 millimeter. Okay, select OK and exit sketch. Select second plane and sketch, normal to select circle. Here circle 50 millimeter. Okay, no need dimension because previous circle and this circle is same. Okay, exit sketch. Then select fourth plane, plane 3, select and go to select circle. Okay, go smart dimension, keep this dimension 60 millimeter. Okay, so our 4 circle is create now. Now I have to need hide this plane. But I have to go edit this length, plane length 130, select, go OK. Okay, and I have to need to hide this plane. Now this is perfect. Okay, so go lofted boss command, select circle, second circle. Okay, delete this second circle because select this circle plane vertically, straight vertical, and last one not vertical, it's inclined, some inclined. Okay, if you change, so shape will be changed. Okay, this is perfect now. Okay, select OK. And hide this plane now. Okay, all of plane is hide now. So I have to use shell this body because this body is solid. Use shell command. Select 2.5mm shell and face. Select face to shell. Okay, select this face. Then go OK. Okay. Complete this base. Now I have to need fillet some edge, sharp edge. Okay, fillet radius select 1mm. Okay, then go OK. But I have to need use one fillet again. This edge is very sharp. Okay, select fillet and select this edge and go OK. Okay, this nice base is complete, totally complete. So I have to need some appearance. Plastic, select material plastic. Okay, color yellow, I have to use yellow. Okay, nice color. Select body. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.